What's up guys, and welcome back to Software and Hardware Solutions. Today I'll be talking about how to reset your computer without having a Windows installation disk, or basically without having Windows on a flash drive, and you do not want to go through all the effort of basically installing your Windows through a disk or basically a flash drive where you have to copy over your Windows into a flash drive and stick it in your PC and redo your Windows. This is a really easy and simple steps to do, and I'm going to guide you guys through it. I do not want to make this tutorial too long, so I'm going to jump straight into it and show you guys how to do this. Alright, so what you're going to do is you go down to the bottom where it says start, you click on it, you see this little gear icon where it says settings. If you do not see this and you have an older version of Windows, all you need to do is go to the search bar here at the bottom and type in settings and press enter. Once you press enter, you'll bring up a screen like this where it says Windows settings. You go to update and security and you click on recovery. Once you click on recovery, you go over here where it says reset this PC, you click on get started. It's going to give you two options. These two options are very crucial. All right, so number one, it says keep my files. Number two, it says remove everything. Now number one, it keeps your files. It says here removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. So this will keep your personal files on your PC, like your documents, your pictures, your videos, your music, and just in general your personal files. Remove everything. What this is going to do is it's going to remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So it's going to uninstall every single thing on your computer and you'll have a fresh Windows installation. Like I said before, there is another way of doing this, which I actually highly recommend of doing because it works much better than this version that I'm showing you right now. But you can try this out. It actually works, but there is a much better way of doing this. Maybe, for instance, if you can't get to this page or you can't get to these steps that you're seeing now on my computer, I'm going to show you another way of doing this to get to this exact page. All right, so I'm just going to click on here where it says keep my files. All right, so I'm just going to keep on here where it says cloud download. I recommend you click on this. Do not click on this because it's going to ask you for a CD or a flash drive. You do not want that because I'm here to show you guys how to do it without a compact disk or without using a flash drive of Windows. So you just click on cloud download. Once you click on cloud download, this is what it's going to do. It says current settings. Then it's going to say restore apps and settings which came with the PC, and it's going to download and reinstall Windows, and all you do is say next and just follow the prompts. But I'm going to show you guys another way of how to do this. All right, so like I said before, if you are having a lot of problems on your computer, like a blue screen error, or your Windows is crashing, or you're having problems with programs on your computer, or your PC is really slow, I highly recommend removing everything off your PC and reset your PC to factory default settings where your Windows is a fresh install basically. So you're going to have nothing on your computer. You're going to have to update your Windows. You're going to reinstall all your programs that you had before and all of those things. You're going to have to do that. It's very crucial to know when you do wipe your system clean, make sure that you have all your personal files backed up on a portable hard drive. If you have a lot of files, if you have a small little bit of files on your C drive, then all you need to do is take your personal files and put it on a flash drive. If you have enough storage on a flash drive, put all your personal files on a flash drive if it's a little bit of storage. If it's a lot of stuff and you only have one hard drive, which is your C drive, let's just say it's a 500 gig or a terabyte hard drive, make sure that you have an extra portable hard drive that's a terabyte big or a 500 gig big portable hard drive, and copy all your stuff over to the portable drive. If you have multiple drives in your computer, I highly recommend that you unplug your multiple drives and only keep your C drive plugged in, because what this is going to do is if you have all your hard drives plugged into your PC and you reset this computer, which we're going to do right now to show you how to do it, it's going to wipe everything off your hard drives, off of every single hard drive that you have. I've learned this the hard way, and it was really sad because I've lost all my stuff, my personal things that I had on my PC. I lost all of it, and it was a really sad day for me. So I do not want you guys to make the same mistake. So if you do have a desktop computer, unplug every single drive that you have. If you have multiple drives, only keep your C drive plugged in, and then do these steps that I'm going to show you how to do. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go on your desktop, you're going to press shift on the left hand side on your keyboard, and you're going to click on start. You're going to go to the power options and you're going to say restart. Once you restarted your PC, it will bring up a screen like this. I'm just going to show you guys. All right, so it's going to take you to a page like this. So the option that you are going to choose is going to be troubleshoot, where it says reset your PC and see advanced options. From there, it's going to show you this page over here. Now you're going to click on reset this PC, where it says let you choose to keep your files, personal files, and reinstall Windows. After that, it's going to show you this page over here where it says keep my files. That says removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. That's if you want to keep your personal files. But like I said before, if you are struggling with your PC, like having blue screen errors, your Windows is crashing, your Windows is really slow, I highly recommend removing everything off of your PC. But remember that crucial step that I told you. Just take a portable hard drive or a extra hard drive that you have in your PC, copy all your personal files from your C drive over to your other hard drive, and then from there you say remove everything. Now once you click on remove everything, it's going to take you to another step. This is going to be the next step that it's going to show you. It's going to say just remove my files, then it will just remove all your files. And then the second step will be fully clean the drive. I highly recommend, if you're having problems with your computer, and this is most likely why you're watching this video, is to fully clean your drive. Click on the fully clean your drive, and then after you click on fully clean your drive, it's going to look like this. It's going to say resetting this PC, and it's going to show 1%. This might take some time because it's removing everything off of your C drive. If you have a terabyte C drive, like a mechanical drive or an SSD or whatever hard drive you have, it will take some time to remove everything if you have a lot of stuff on your C drive. But like I said before, a crucial step is to remove everything out of your computer except your C drive. So if you have multiple drives, remove all of them, unplug all of them, and only keep your C drive plugged in. Once this is reset, your PC will be to its factory default settings, and you guys are good to go. I just wanted to show you guys how to do this, and it's very easy and simple to do, and I hope this actually helps you guys out. Let me know, leave a comment down below, leave a like on this video, and let me know if this worked for you, if it sorted out your problems that you're having with your computer, or just in general that your PC is much better now overall because you did a reset on your computer. And just leave a comment, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content that's going to come on a daily basis. And yeah, thanks guys, I appreciate it. Peace out.